So students, listen it very carefully. That is very important. The use of tense is changed when a sentence is changed from direct speech to indirect speech. For sentences that are reported in the present tense, the tense of the verb remains the same. Like you can see here, Disha says, my favorite fruit is mango. Here you can see says. It's a present simple tense. So when we convert this sentence into indirect speech, there will be no change in the tense because our reported verb is in present simple tense. So we will write Disha says that her favorite fruit is mango, but my is changed here into her. You can see here my is changed into her. Okay. Now see, for sentences that are reported in the past tense, where reported verb is in past tense, then tense of the sentence changes in this way. See here, simple present tense is changed to simple past. Simple present into simple past. This is very important. These are the rules, basic rules of the reported speech. Pawan said, I like to play football. Pawan said that he liked to play football. Here we use that in place of comma and quotation marks. And I is changed into he. Now see, I like to play football. This is a simple present tense. Then it changed into simple past. Like changed into liked. I to he liked to play football. Okay. Then here see again, present continuous tense is changed to past continuous tense. Here see, present continuous tense, I am baking a cake, and it's changed into past continuous tense. Here see some basic rules also again. Hina said, comma, inverted commas begin, I am baking a cake, inverted comma close, full stop. Now change this sentence into indirect speech. Hina said that. Now we use here that. She, I is changed into she, was baking a cake. Now see, present continuous tense is changed into past continuous tense. I am baking a cake, she was baking a cake. Okay, understood? Now see the next rule. Present perfect tense is changed to past perfect tense. Present perfect yani has, have and third form of the verb, that changed into past perfect tense. And what is the rule of past perfect tense? Had and third form of verb. Now see the sentence. Ravi said, I have cleaned my room. Ravi said, comma, inverted comma begin, I have cleaned my room, full stop, inverted comma close. Now change this sentence into indirect speech. Ravi said that. Here we use that now. He, I is changed into he, had cleaned his room. Understood? Okay, our next rule is simple past tense is changed to past perfect tense. Okay, simple past tense will change to past perfect tense. Zainab said, I ate breakfast. So this is the direct speech. Zainab said, comma, inverted comma begin, I ate breakfast, full stop, inverted comma close. So change it into indirect speech. Zainab said that she had eaten breakfast. So here we use that in place of comma and quotation marks, and I will change into she. And simple past tense is changed into past perfect tense. We used here had eaten breakfast. Okay, clear? So next rule is past continuous tense is changed to past perfect continuous. Here our sentence is he said comma invited comma begin I was talking on the phone full stop invited comma close. Okay, here the tense is past continuous tense. He said that he had been talking on the phone. I will change into he, and was talking change into had been talking into past perfect continuous tense. Okay, so next is our past perfect tense. And past perfect tense remains the same, no change in that. Okay, so sentence is she said comma invited comma begin I had left by the time he reached full stop invited comma close. Now we'll change into indirect speech. She said that, we use here that, I will change into she. Had left will remain the same, past perfect tense remains the same by the time he reached. Okay, so our next rule is can is changed to could. So always remember it. Ram said comma invited comma begin I can jump over the wall full stop invited comma close. Now change into indirect speech. Ram said that he, I'll change into he. Can will change into could. He could jump over the wall. Okay. Next is will is changed to would. So here Sanya promised I will exercise every day. Now will change into would. Sanya promised that I change into she. She would exercise every day. Okay. Now we have one more rule, and that is time and place words. Okay, many words that refer to time or place are changed appropriately. Some of them are given below. You can see here. Now we'll change into then, this to that, these to those, here to there, today to that day, tomorrow to the next day, yesterday, the previous day, and the next day, week, month. It will change into the following day, week or month. Okay. Now with this we have one exercise now. So take out your course book, open page number 90. Write down date and classwork there. Now our question is filling the blanks below to complete the reported speech. Read it very carefully. Now question 1 is Jayant said, comma, invited comma begin, my sister knits beautiful sweaters. Here Jayant said that his sister dash beautiful sweaters. So here sentence is in present simple tense. So it will convert into past simple. His sister knitted. Okay, knitted beautiful sweaters. Second is Ashok said I am reading a book. Now change into indirect. Ashok said that I is changed into he. I am reading is changed into was reading a book. Now is changed into then. Third is Jerry said I have read this book. Now Jerry said that I is changed into he. Have into had. Simple present perfect is changed into past perfect. I have read this book. He had read that book. This is changed into that. Now fourth is Ashok's other friends said we have read it too. Now change it. They said that they had read it too. Present perfect into past perfect tense. Now fifth is Ashok's mother told us you must watch the film based on the book tomorrow. Here we change you to we. Ashok's mother told us that we must watch the film based on the book. Now tomorrow is changed into the next day. Now sixth is Kajal said I will play the film here. Now Kajal said that I'll change into she and will change into would. She would play the film. Here is changed into there. Kajal said that she would play the film there. So students, open your workbook, page number 48. Worksheet number 6, Sir Lawless Ghost. Again we will do one more exercise of reported speech. Here our question is, add, tell or say in the correct form to the following sentences in reported speech. Okay, write again here classwork and date. Good. Now question A is, the teacher is going to dash everyone about the test. Yes, the teacher is going to tell everyone about the test. B is, please dash us what the matter is. So here we will write tell. Please tell us what the matter is. C is, John dash that he is leaving tomorrow. You can see sentence is in present tense. So we will write here says. John says that. Now D is, did you dash anything about the book? Here see the question is in sentence is in past tense. Did is there. Then you will write present form of the verb. Here we will write say. Did you say anything about the book? Question mark. Now E is, they dash they were building a big greenhouse for their plants. Now we'll see the sentence is in past tense. So we will write they said that. Also you will add here. Okay, they said that they were building a big greenhouse for their plants. Okay. Now F is, she dash me how to get to the public library. Here we'll write she told me how to get the public library. Okay, clear all of you? Very good. Now question number 2 is, fill in the missing words to complete the sentence. A is Kavita to Sudha, I want to paint the house. Sudha to Ravi, Kavita said she wanted to paint the house. Now I is changed into she. Then want is changed into wanted to paint the house. Remember the rule always. B is Lin to Kim, will you come with me to the Taj Mahal? Question mark. Now Kim to Jenny. Jenny is third person. Lin asked if I, will is changed into would. If I would go with him, her to the Taj Mahal. Okay. Now C is teacher to class, there will be a test tomorrow. So student to mother, our teacher said that there would, will is changed into would be a test. Tomorrow is changed into the next day. Okay. Now D is mother to me, we can go for a movie in the evening. Me to my sister, mother told me that we could, can is changed into could, we could go for a movie in the evening. Okay, remember the rules always. Now see our question number 3. Match the sentences in direct speech to reported speech. See, always remember the rules very carefully. Learn the rules, please. then you can do it very carefully. Just like a game. If you will remember the rules, you will win the game. Now our first is, Kajol said to me, the painter is here. Now said to will change into told. Okay. Kajol told me, the painter is here. Is here is simple present tense. It will change into was. The painter was. And here will change into there. Now find out where is it. Kajol told me that the painter was there. Okay. Now B is, Kajol said to me. Again, Kajol told me. Said to will convert into told me that. Kajol said to me, the painter was here. Now this sentence in simple past tense, and simple past tense will change into past perfect. Now Kajol told me the painter had been there. Okay. Now next is, see, Kajol said to me, I am here. Now first of all change that to told me, and I will change into she. Kajol told me that she. Am into change to was, and here to there. She was there. Okay. Now D is, Kajol said to me, I can come there. Now again said to change into told. Kajol told me, I will change into she. She. Can will change into could. Can will change into could. And there will change into here. Kajol told me that she could come here. Okay. Now E is, Kajol said to me, the painter is painting my house. Now again said to will change into told. Kajol told me that the painter is painting my house. Present continuous tense. It will change into past continuous tense. The painter was painting. My will change into her house. Kajol told me that the painter was painting her house. Okay? Understood? Very good. So now, students, it's homework time. So today you have homework in your workbook. Page number 50. Write down homework and date on question number 4. Here you have to fill the grid with appropriate speech form. Okay? Here we have two types of speech, direct speech or reported speech. Somewhere direct speech is written, somewhere reported speech is written. So complete this grid with appropriate speech forms. Okay? And after that, on page number 51, question number 1, this is also in your homework. Fill in the blanks by using IE or EI. One has been done for you. Like CHIEF, chief. So you have to fill EI or IE. Okay, do it very carefully. It is very easy. Now second is also in your homework. Some of these words have been spelled wrong. Some are correct. Draw a tick near the word if it is spelled correctly. If not, draw a cross and write the correct spelling near it. Okay? These two questions are also in your workbook homework. Okay? Do it in workbook only. Okay? Today you have to write your homework in your workbook only. Okay? With this, I will finish my video. Now, we will meet in our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.